What's your name? Emoji sign. Open that eye. Where you at? What's your name? Emoji sign. Open that eye. Where you at?
Guys, let's say in this video, if you have a umidigi, a version, a 90 Pro, a 7, whatever, and if you find that your phone is not charging, it's not coming on, well, there can be a software issue, as we may call it, a glitch. It can also be that it is a hardware issue, right? So if it is a hardware issue, it will be a battery related problem, or a motherboard problem, or a charging port problem, right? In this case, this phone is still in a very good condition, as you can see. So basically it can be like a power drain or something, right? So if we plug in the charger, we are not getting any charge, right? You can actually hold the volume down and the power button. This will actually force start the phone. It is a force reboot option. You can hold these two buttons down. You can also hold the volume button along with the power button down to the force restart buttons, or you can hold the power button for a couple seconds just to drain the phone of any energy that may be built up. So just keep holding. So once you keep holding and you drain the phone, because I believe that this is like a glitch or something that we experience and it's not power up, you can actually plug in your charger. Let's try now. Let's see if we are getting anything, and here you can see that the phone is lighting up and we have about 90 something percent. So actually, if your battery is dead, if your phone is always on, your phone can froze at a point in time. You need to do a restart. Just a simple restart in your phone weekly can help in these cases. So this can help if you are not charging up your device. This can actually help a lot, and I hope that this video was helpful. It's at 91%. In this case, if your battery is totally drained, you may have to leave it on the charger a bit longer. And if you notice that you're not seeing any battery icon, you may have to hold the volume and the power button again while the charger is in, to see if you will actually boot the device on. So I hope that these tips were actually helpful to you in some way, and if they were, you can actually like this video and also drop a comment down below saying, you know, what you want to say to me, or if you need any additional help. And if you're new to my channel, do like, share and subscribe.